AI is here to stay, and with SheetGPT, you can unlock a new era of productivity today. SheetGPT is a Google Sheets extension that allows you to bring the power of AI and ChatGPT directly into your spreadsheets. Automate, analyze, generate content, and converse with your data like never before. Let's discover how SheetGPT transforms your spreadsheet experience, making it smarter, more intuitive, and more useful. Installation. First, let's install SheetGPT. Go to SheetGPT.ai and click on Install, or click on the link in the description. In the Google Marketplace, click on Install again and follow the steps to grant access. Now that we have installed the extension, we have to turn it on. Go to Google Sheets, create a new spreadsheet, head to the top menu, click on the Extensions menu, then SheetGPT, and click on Enable. That's it! We are ready to use the power of AI in your spreadsheets. SheetGPT is packed with groundbreaking features. Let's explore them. The GPT function. The GPT function is your go-to for general tasks. All you have to do is start typing the equal symbol, followed by GPT in any cell, and you will see the function help text pop up. This is where you can ask anything to the AI. For example, let's write the following formula. GPT, write the recipe to cook lasagna. Then press enter, and you will see the result generated by AI. You can learn more about this feature with our in-depth tutorial by clicking on the card at the top of the screen. The GPTLIST function. The GPTLIST function allows you to generate multiple outputs at once, which can be very useful for creating content in bulk. Here's an example to help you see how it works in action. Let's write something like GPTLIST. Generate a list of 5 blog post ideas for an organic clothes brand. Press enter and SheetGPT will generate a list of 5 titles, each one in a different row. You can learn more about this feature with our in-depth tutorial by clicking on the card at the top of the screen. The GPTIMAGE function. With the GPTIMAGE function, you can go beyond your imagination and generate high-quality images using AI. Let's see an example. Let's type GPTIMAGE, a futuristic orange-inspired chair. This function returns an image URL generated from the given description. If you want to show the image directly in Google Sheets, you can add the image function before the GPT image to display it inside the cell. You can learn more about this feature with our in-depth tutorial by clicking on the card at the top of the screen. Combining functions. In addition to its individual capabilities, SheetGPT's true power shines when you combine functions for more complex tasks. For example, use GPTLIST to create a series of social media post ideas, and then use GPT to write the caption for each post. Or you can use the GPT function to generate a textual description and then employ GPTIMAGE to create a corresponding image. The possibilities are endless, allowing you to create more dynamic and interactive spreadsheets. Boost your AI. You can start using SheetGPT today for free, but if you hit the limit and want to increase the usage, we also offer various plans for businesses and creators to suit every need. Upgrading is easy. Just go to the top menu under Extensions, look for SheetGPT, click on the Upgrade License option, and follow the instructions. To learn more about the different plans available, go to SheetGPT.ai/pricing or click on the link in the description. With these SheetGPT functions, you can now do more with your spreadsheets. Bring the power of AI to Google Sheets for free at SheetGPT.ai and unlock a new era of productivity today. Subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips to use SheetGPT.